Okay, welcome to online education. This is T. Narahari, lecturer in mathematics, Department of Mathematics, GDC, Mabad. Today, I am explaining to subsequence and theorems and problems, Cauchy sequence and applications of Cauchy sequence and theorems in our real analysis third semester. Okay, going to explain first subsequence. How to see the subsequence definition? You see, this is the subsequence definition. You know the subsequence definition. You see here, Sn is a sequence. You know S1, S2, dash S3, and Sn plus 1. This is a sequence. You consider from this n1, n2, n3, dash dash nk all natural numbers belonging to n. That is n1, n2. Here to consider n1 less than or equal to less than or equal n3 less than or equal nk less than or equal nk plus 1. You consider these are also be natural numbers. Natural numbers. Then Sn1, Sn2. Consider from this. These also be numbers. Sn3. This also came from this. Sn4 up to Snk. This is called Snk sequence. K is equal to 0 to right. See 0 to infinity, right? No doubt at all. Snk is k is equal to 0 to infinity is a subsequence of the this. See what is that subsequence means here? Some these Sn1, Sn2, Sn3, Snk. This is set of the numbers taken from Sn. This also be elements, also be numbers in Sn. Snk is a subsequence. No doubt that Sn is sequence, itself subsequence. You know this property from set theory to this. Sn is a subsequence, itself subsequence, Snk is a subsequence. A simple one of the example you see, Sn is equal to 1 by n, where n is also element of n. You see this. How to write? See here, n is also element of n means n is equal to substitute 1, 2, natural numbers 3, 4, 5. Here write 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Write. This is S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 like that. Consider N1, N2, Nk. N1, N2, N3, Nk. These are natural numbers. You see here, write n is equal to 2k you take. Here k is equal to 1, 2, 3. Nk is equal to write, no doubt, 2k. What about C? K is equal to write 1. That is N2. K is equal to take 3. K is equal to 1, 2. And 2, 4. And n, you consider 3, 6. N 6 after 8 this year. What about n2? You substitute here 1 by n, 1 by 2, right? See 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8. This is nk, snk. This is the subsequence of this, subsequence of that. Here k is equal to substitute. What about C? N is equal to 2k is taken. A subsequence. Now see here, 2 power k you take this ఇందులోనే ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. 2 power k. What is 2 power k? You write C 1 by n. N is also element of capital N. 2 power k means here substitute k is equal to 1, 2, 3. 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. That's you substitute here 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube, 1 by 2 to the power of 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. This is the subsequence of a. You write C, you write again n is equal to 2k plus 1, you said k is equal to, write 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you write C? K is equal to substitute 1, 3, n3, n5, n7. To write this. n3 means you write 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7. This is also be a subsequence of the Sn. This dividing this, you select this nk, k is equal to values n1, n2, n3. These are also be natural numbers. From you select one of the way. ఒక వేలో మనం సెలెక్ట్ ఆల్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్, ఆల్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ అండ్ 2 power k and 3 power k. You like this, you see these are also be subsequence of this. You select this from, it is a subsequence of this. Right, see here one of the important statement in a subsequence. What is the case? Sn is a sequence. It is subsequence theorem. It is important. What about Sn is a sequence converge to S. Sn a sequence, S converge అయితే subsequence also, subsequence of Sn is also converge to S. అంటే Sn అనేది Sకి కాన్వర్జెంట్ అవుతే దీనికి ఉండే సబ్సీక్వెన్స్ ఏదైనా సరే ఎస్ఎన్కే ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాన్వర్జ్ టు ఎస్, అదే ఎస్కి కాన్వర్జెంట్ అవుతుంది అని చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రూఫ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్? ఎస్ఎన్ ఈజ్ ఎ సీక్వెన్స్ కాన్వర్జ్ టు ఎస్. యు రైట్ ద అప్లికేషన్ లిమిట్ ప్రాపర్టీ. ఎవ్రీ ఎప్సిలాన్ greater than 0 there exists n, capital N, number n, such that whatever I say n greater than n, that implies Sn minus S less than epsilon. You write C. See here, what about C? nk greater than, you write k for all k. Here there exists k greater than n implies nk greater than n, which implies that there exists nk greater than n. That implies what to write? See, snk minus s less than epsilon. Limit n tends to k tends to 0, snk is equal to s. This is the case. What about the snk is limit point is s? What about the snk is a convergent to S. Sequence is convergent to S. Subsequence is also convergent to S. This is the statement. If any sequence Sn, any subsequence of Sn is convergent to S. అంటే Sn అనేది ఎటైతే ఏ పాయింట్కి అయితే కాన్వర్జెంట్ అవుతుందో దీని సబ్సీక్వెన్స్ కూడా అటే కాన్వర్జెంట్ అవుతుంది అనేది స్టేట్మెంట్. దిస్ ఆల్సో బి ఇంపార్టెంట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇన్ ద కేస్. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ యు సీ definition of dominate term. What is a dominate term? It is Sn is a sequence. We say that mth term is dominated, dominant or peak. ఇదే పెద్దది అన్నట్టు. peak xm greater than xm plus k, where k is equal to, what to write, 1, 2, 3. This is the case. Dominated term. By using this dominated term, you prove one of the statement. See, what about see? That statement is very important statement. See, every sequence of real number, it is important here. Real number is given 2-3 times. Number Sn as a monotonic subsequence. This is a statement. Every sequence of real numbers Sn is a monotonic subsequence. This is proof of this statement. Let Sn be a sequence. Be a sequence of real numbers. Here two cases are infinitely many dominant terms is entered or finitely many dominated terms are entered here. First to see, what about C? Suppose, case 1, suppose there exist there are infinitely many dominant terms. Choose here such that Sn1 is all dominant terms of sequence. Dominate terms of the sequence. ఈ సీక్వెన్స్లో Sn1 అనేది dominate term అని మనం let it take here. What about see here slowly dominate terms? Then Snk plus 1 is less than or equal Snk. For all k implies Snk is decreasing sequence. Here Snk is decreasing sequence. Decreasing sequence means it is monotonic sequence. Monotonic sequence as any monotonic sequence definition means that is increasing or decreasing. This is the increasing. Now case 2 you write here, suppose here infinitely, here finitely many dominate terms. Choose same n such that Sn1 is dominated terms. They are given, you see the given, what about C? Then given you write C, capital N greater than N1, there exist M greater than N such that Sm greater than Sn. Applying the n is equal to n1, we select ఒక టర్మ్ని n2 greater than n1 such that మళ్ళీ ఇందులో Sn2 greater than Sn1. Next suppose that n1 n2 dash dash nk minus 1 have been selected to that n1 less than or equal n2 less than or n3 less than nk minus 1. You write this Sn1 less than Sn2 less than Sn3 less than Snk minus 1. What is this here? This is a sequence. It is increasing sequence. See, n is equal to write nk minus 1. Who write nk greater than nk minus 1. Here Snk greater than Snk minus 1. ఇది పెద్దది, ఇది చిన్నది. ఫస్ట్ ఎంట్రీ ఇది, సెకండ్ ఎంట్రీ ఇది. అంటే వాట్ అబౌట్ సి హియర్? Here k minus 1 obtain the, it is increasing sequence. What about C? This is the increasing subsequence. In two cases, one is decreasing subsequence, here increasing subsequences. There two cases are there, infinitely many dominant terms, finitely many dominant terms. In both cases there exist, what about C? What the statement? Every sequence, real sequence Sn as a monotonic subsequence. This is also like that Bolzano statement, like that is our one of the statement to see. This is the case. Now next see. See here one of the, consider the following sequence. Here an is there, an sequence minus of whole to the power of n. Give subsequence. దీనికి subsequence కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. Subsequence first సెకండ్ వన్ ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి, వాట్ ఇప్పుడు సి సబ్సీక్వెంటల్ లిమిట్. సబ్సీక్వెంటల్ లిమిట్. నెక్స్ట్ బౌండెడ్ అవుతుందా. ఫోర్త్ వన్ కాన్వర్జ్ అవుతుందా. ఈ 4 కేసులు ఇందులో వెరిఫై చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద కేస్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ an ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ -1/2 whole power n, where n is equal, no doubt, 1 2 3 like that. Here 4 cases here. See. How to see here 4 cases? Listen. First subsequence. You see here. an, right? An is equal to n is equal to 1 2 3. Substitute here. First here s1. Here an is equal to -1 whole to the power of n. N is equal to, write 1. That is a1 is equal to s1. a1 means minus half. N is equal to 2, you substitute. a2 is equal to -1 whole to the power of square. That is 1/4. N is equal to 3, right? a3 is equal to half whole to the power of cube -1/2. 2 is 4, 2 is 8. Again n is equal to 4, you substitute. a4 is equal to -1/4. 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16 plus 1/16. Right. ఇప్పుడు now write sequence a1 a2 a3 dash dash dash. a1 is equal to -half, a2 is equal to 1/4, a3 is equal to -1/8, a4 is equal to 1/16. Here see, it is alternating series, -1 plus minus plus minus plus. You consider only from this plus. How to place here even terms? You write n is equal to 2k. Here k is equal to 0 1 2 3. Sorry, 1 2 3. Now write only what in case of that k is equal to 1 2 second term is 1/4. K is equal to 3 6th term 1/16. This you write. This is one of the subsequence. -1/4 1/16. Now see, you take this is subsequence, and negatives you take -1/2 -1/8. This it is subsequence. 2 also be subsequence of this sequence. Now subsequent limit. This subsequence limit is called subsequental limit. This subsequence limit is called subsequent limit. Limit is 1/4 1/16. You see this here given 1/4 1/16 dash 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 is there. 1/4 1/16 dash dash. 1/4 1/16 go to the, what about 1/4 is 0.25. ఎక్కడికి పోతుంది, 0కి వెళ్తుంది. 1/16 1/7 1/8 is 0. It is. And what about see, this subsequent limit is 0. Now second is -1/2 -1/2. This is also b. It is 0. Subsequent limits 2 also be 0. This is go to 0. ఇది 0కి పోతుంది, ఇది కూడా 0కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. But what is that? See, both also be 0. Subsequent limit is 0. With this type of using. Subsequent limit. Now bounded అయితే పక్క బౌండెడ్ 1/4 1/16 ఎంతవరకు పోతుంది, 0 వరకు పోతుంది. ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది, 1/4 దగ్గర స్టార్ట్ అయింది. 1/2 పెట్టుకో, ఇంకా ఏది ముందు పెట్టుకుంది, 1 స్టార్ట్ ఈజ్, ఇట్ ఈజ్ వాట్ అబౌట్ 0. ఈ టోటల్ ఈజ్ 1/4 to 0 is there. This sequence is lower limit, upper limit. Upper limit ఉంది, lower limit ఉంది. It is lower limit, upper limit. ఎగువ హద్దు ఉంది, దిగువ హద్దు ఉంది. Therefore it is bounded. Similarly it is -1/2 -1. It is also be same. That is -half to 0 is going. Lower limit, upper limit is there. That is also be bounded. Now next is what about see, convergent. No doubt bounded set is convergent. Two subsequence is subsequent limit is also be 0. This is convergent. Listen, this is the case. Now it is one of the problem you see. Similarly same you see another problem. Bn is equal to, you do this, n square that is bn is equal to, right, see this also n square minus 1 whole to the power of n. You say n is equal to 1, n is equal to same. You find subsequent limits and bounded and convergent. You see this the problem, right? Next you go to the definition of Cauchy sequence is very important. Cauchy sequence is given under our Cox University so many times, theorems and definition. This is very important. Listen, see, Cauchy sequence. What is? Cauchy sequence directly is convergent, no doubt. Cauchy sequence అవుతుంది అంటే ఇది కాన్వర్జెంట్ అవుతుంది. ఇక కాన్వర్జెంట్ మళ్ళీ లిమిట్ కనుక్కోవడం అది ఏం అవసరం లేదు. నాట్ నెసరీ. It is also be one of the advantage of the Cauchy sequence. You see, a sequence Sn, Cauchy sequence definition ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే, a sequence Sn is said to be Cauchy sequence. There exists if each epsilon greater than 0, there exists a number n such that m and n greater than n, that is Sn minus Sm less than epsilon. This is important. Less than epsilon. There exists m and n, every epsilon greater than 0, there exists a number mn greater than n, Sn minus Sm less than epsilon. This is Cauchy sequence definition. From this Cauchy sequence definition, it is convergent. See one of the theorem. What is Cauchy sequence on this theorem? You see, every convergent sequence is Cauchy sequence. It is important theorem. Every convergent sequence is Cauchy sequence. అంటే మనం కాన్వర్జెంట్ సీక్వెన్స్ తీసుకొని కాచీ సీక్వెన్స్ అని చూపించాలి. యు సీ కాన్వర్జెంట్ సీక్వెన్స్. సి హియర్ Sn ఈజ్ ఏ కాన్వర్జెంట్, CGT, కాన్వర్జెంట్ సీక్వెన్స్. గోయింగ్ టు షో Cauchy sequence. Important statement is given 1-2 times in our Cox University. See, it is the Cauchy sequence. What is C? Sn is Sn convergent means there exists a limit. Limit n tends to infinity. Sn is equal to, you write yes or L, one of the case. Yes. Here you write every epsilon greater than 0, then there exists a number n such that, what do you write? See, Sn such that, what do you write? See, Sn minus S less than epsilon. Here you consider n and m in both cases. Here you see what case here. Now this is, from this you write first your n or m. See, write, see, n greater than n, every epsilon greater than 0, there exists, what about C, n greater than n such that Sn minus S less than epsilon. You write this. Again, second m less than greater than epsilon, m greater than n such that Sm minus S less than epsilon. From 1 and 2 you see. You write what to write, see, Sn minus Sm, consider this term, is equal to, you write this, Sn minus S plus S minus Sm. You write epsilon by 2, no doubt about. Epsilon by 2. Right. Here, this is Sn minus Sm. This is mod is dividing in 2 times. You get less than or equal. Sn minus S plus S minus Sm. It is epsilon by 2 plus epsilon by 2. Sn minus Sm less than epsilon. Less than epsilon. Therefore, what this is, what about C? It is a Cauchy sequence definition. There exists nm such that nm greater than n such that Sn minus Sm less than epsilon. This gives Cauchy sequence. అంటే ఏం చేసాం, కాన్వర్జెంట్ సీక్వెన్స్ తీసుకొని కాచీ సీక్వెన్స్ అని చేసాం. అంటే కాన్వర్జెంట్ అవుతుంది అంటే ఖచ్చితంగా కాచీ సీక్వెన్స్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ 1 and only 2-3 steps, right? End of the case. That is the see. Now next, see, here every Cauchy sequence is bounded. It is second case. It is first statement, every Cauchy sequence is bounded. Cauchy sequence is bounded. is C. You write. How to write C? Cauchy sequence means you write definition. Every epsilon greater than 0, then there exist m and n greater than capital N. There exists a number n such that Sn minus Sm less than epsilon. You consider this. Sn minus Sm less than epsilon. You write Sn less than, you write this Sm plus or minus epsilon. You write what? Sm minus epsilon, Sn, Sm plus epsilon. What about Sn is between them? That is small m less than Sn less than capital M. Sn is in between exist, lower and upper both. Therefore, Sn is bounded. These two statements are very important. First statement given 2-3 times. Second statement is this. It is important. Every Cauchy sequence is bounded. It is also be given under our Cox University. These two theorems are very important in our cases. By using these theorems, you write a Cauchy sequence, convergent sequence, if and only if Cauchy sequence and kuda prove cheyochu. What you see here, a sequence is a convergent sequence if and only if double implies a Cauchy sequence. If it is a Cauchy sequence. ఇగో ఇదే ఈ కాన్వర్జెంట్ అనుకొని కాచి చూపించాలి. ఇంతకుముందే మనం కాన్వర్జెంట్ కొని ఫస్ట్ థీరంలో చూపించాం. ఇది కాచి సీక్వెన్స్ అనుకొని కాన్వర్జెంట్ చూపించాలి. కాన్వర్జెంట్ అంటే బౌండెడ్ అయింది అంటే ఇమీడియట్గా అది కాచి సీక్వెన్స్. ఈ రెండు స్టేట్మెంట్స్ని కలిపి రాస్తారు. ఏ సీక్వెన్స్ ఈజ్ కాన్వర్జెంట్, కాచి సీక్వెన్స్. ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ హియర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ సి. ఎవ్రీ కాన్వర్జెంట్ సీక్వెన్స్ ఈజ్ కాచి సీక్వెన్స్. ఇగో ఎవ్రీ కాన్వర్జెన్స్, దిస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏ సీక్వెన్స్ ఇస్ ఏ కాన్వర్జెంట్ ఇఫ్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ ఇఫ్. ఫస్ట్ కాన్వర్జెంట్ అనుకోవాలి మనం, కాచి సీక్వెన్స్. ఇది ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ సరిపోతుంది. ఎవ్రీ కాన్వర్జెంట్ సీక్వెన్స్ ఈజ్ ఏ కాచి సీక్వెన్స్. ప్రూఫ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఫస్ట్. సెకండ్ సి, వాట్ అబౌట్ సి? సీక్వెన్స్ ఇఫ్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ ఇఫ్ కాచి సీక్వెన్స్. హియర్ ఇఫ్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ ఇఫ్, వాట్ అబౌట్ సి హియర్? కాచి సీక్వెన్స్. అంటే కాచి సీక్వెన్స్ కన్సిడర్ చేసి మనం ఏం చేయాలి? కాన్వర్జెంట్ అని. కాచి సీక్వెన్స్ నుంచి డెఫినేషన్ నుంచి ఏం రావాలి? ఫస్ట్ బౌండెడ్ అని చూపించాలి. Bounded means that is CGT. That is a statement. It is important statement is given. These two theorems is in there. This is the important statement in our, that is the important statement. Now next, this is our Cauchy sequence and also be left to see. Now, see, okay, thank you. Today class, most all Cauchy sequence is completed. It is important theorems are there, is given under 6 marks or 12 marks already given. These theorems are very important in our, according to our Cox University. Please see, this is very important.